Welcome to this AceReader speed reading software tutorial. This tutorial covers how to use the warm-up drills with AceReader Elite. The warm-up drills are exactly as the name suggests. They are warm-up exercises. We recommend that you perform one or two of these warm-up exercises per training session before performing the normal drills. We discuss the normal drills in a separate video. I'm first going to log on. Warm-up drills can be accessed from the course mode and the menu mode. The course mode will present you with periodic warm-up drills. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to access the warm-up drills from the menu mode, since the menu mode allows you to manually select exactly what you want to do. I am then brought to the menu mode screen. To access the warm-up drills, just hover your mouse over that activity and click. There is a variety of warm-up drills to pick from. Some are graphical and others contain text. Let me start out by showing you a few graphical warm-up drills. Keep in mind, these are just warm-up exercises that you do before performing the normal drills. I'm going to select the first warm-up drill called Round Expansion, and then I'm going to press the Begin Drill button to begin. This warm-up drill is a peripheral sight exercise. You focus in the center of the expanding circle and concentrate on seeing the numbers on the outer edge. I'm going to now press the Cancel button so that I can show you another warm-up drill. I'm now going to select the Clock Path warm-up drill. This warm-up drill is an eye movement exercise. You just follow the cue balls with your eyes. This will get your eyes moving up and down as well as left and right. I'm going to now press the Cancel button again so that I can show you another warm-up drill. Here's an example of a warm-up drill that contains text. The warm-up drills that use text consist of 4 drill sessions. Each drill session will pace you at speeds relative to your personal base reading speed, as determined from your self-paced tests. As with all of our drills, you can override the drill session speeds by setting a manual speed and then choosing the manual speed option. I'm just going to use the recommended speed. To begin the drill session, just press the Begin Drill Session button. I'm going to cancel since I think you get the idea. You should now have an idea of how our warm-up drills work. Again, they are just warm-up exercises, and we recommend that you perform one of these warm-up drills each day before performing the normal drills. Please refer to our drills tutorial to see how our eye pacing drills work.